are looking at the Social Studies Test AA World Geography. Make sure that you look at the top of your test that you are taking the Social Studies Test AA World Geography. If you have another test, make sure you go to another video. Make sure you have your first and last name, today's date, which can always be found under the schedule, and of course your section. That is not your homeroom, unless of course your section and your homeroom are the same. For some of you, your section is different. So make sure you know what your section is so that you write it here. Let's begin. Name the continents and oceans shown by each letter on the map below. So here is the letter A. That is either a continent or an ocean. Write the name of that item here. Now go to letter B. That is either a continent or an ocean. Write the name of that here on the B line. Continue doing that until you have all the letters complete. Remember, these are continents or oceans only for letters A through L. Now you are going to pick up the red pencil you were given. It says, on the compass rose, label the following correctly. All the cardinal directions in red pencil. So over here on this symbol, please label the cardinal directions in red pencil. And then put your red pencil down. You will no longer need it. And pick up your regular pencil for the remainder of this test. Use your regular pencil on this drawing to label all the intermediate directions. When you are finished, please double check your page and then move on. Remember, you can pause this video at any time if you need extra time to answer the questions, and then start it when you are ready. The next section says, use the map below to correctly answer the questions. Here you can see a map of Florida. Use the map to answer the questions. A key is also known as a what? What body of water is east of Florida on the map? How many lakes are labeled on the map of Florida? What is the state capital of Florida? If you went from Tampa to Miami, what direction would you travel? If you went from Key West to Orlando, what direction would you travel? Please double check your work and then move on. Here is section 3. Use the map below and what you learned about time zones to correctly answer the questions. Here is the map it's referring to. How many time zones are in the entire United States? In which time zone is the state of Texas? In which time zone is the state of Oregon? In which time zone is the state of Pennsylvania? In which time zone is the state of Utah? When you have answered all the questions successfully, go back and check your work, and when you are ready, place the test in the turn-in bin. Don't forget to check your name off the check sheet and put your red pencil back in the red pencil bin.